Something I wanted to make a quick video of that just I thought about when I was doing this. I've seen videos and online forums, guys talking about once you take this castle nut off the hub, they're rusted on there, especially if you live in the Rust Belt or yada, 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 and they have to beat on them and heat them up and all kinds of shit to get them off. But there's a much easier way, and I've been doing this for, I don't know, ever since I can remember. But you got this hub, and this one's already a little separated. I accidentally nudged the steering wheel, but I'm just going to show you. So you got this hub, you got 4 bolts. On your last bolt, you can run it out halfway, put a socket and an extension up against the frame there, the axle. And let me see if I can set this camera up. So, I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but hopefully you can see that. I hope. But let me do this. Bam, you're separated. You just use the power steering to push the hub out. And that way you're not beating on your hub and tearing the shit out of it and running anything. And then you can separate your hub from your steering knuckle. So just wanted to share that in case it helps anybody.